Well, as you're going to hear today, I think in light of the foreclosure crisis and the mortgage meltdown, people are looking at new ways nationally to help people still into homeownership and help them be secure in homeownership. And what we've been doing at Champlain Housing Trust for 25 years in our community land trust model is exactly that, helping people who otherwise couldn't get in the market to get in and helping them to earn some wealth. Many move on to the market, but either way it works very well for security for their housing. And then we're also there to, our folks have not run into the foreclosure problems that you've seen in the wider market. Well, we're delighted to have Senator Leahy here today to kick off what is really an innovative policy discussion at the national level. But the senator's been supporting our work at Champlain Housing Trust and affordable housing throughout his career, so he was the right person to lead it off, and I'm sure he'll inspire people this morning.
When I grew up, my parents and my immigrant grandparents talked about home ownership as really being the American dream. Yeah, but we're trying to bounce back from a huge recession, the worst since the Great Depression. And if anything, in the efforts to come back, it's reaffirmed the belief that we need a strong housing market. We have to have a clear path to home ownership, what it does not only for your sense of worth, but what it does for community. And you have to have, I think, the creation and extension of programs like the first-time home buyers tax credit. Brenda Torpy here knows firsthand. It goes way beyond the statistics. It goes to real human beings who can be helped. The model known as shared equity offers the opportunity to leverage a relatively small investment of capital to greatly expand access to ownership to both low and moderate income families. The down payment assistance to potential homeowners helps them buy homes that they could not otherwise afford, but then the program's rules will help keep them perpetually affordable. Think what that does from a societal point of view, people in their homes having a stake in the community. They have a stake in the schools in the community. They have a stake in the police in the community. They have a stake in education and in healthcare and everything else in the community. I think during the upcoming congressional budget process, I'm going to work with others to fund such a pilot research demonstration project. If we can make sure it works, that's all right. I mean, I think if we can show it works, if we can show the local level, the grassroots support, this can be done nationally. We're all going to benefit from it. But one thing you have to understand, this is not just a program to spend money. The taxpayers get a lot out of this. You get the stability, you get the people in their homes, you get the tax revenues from this.